Once your pump and sand filter have been started up and are running on the filter cycle, you can begin adding your startup chemicals. The first step is knowing how many gallons of water are in your pool. There's a chart in your owner's manual that shows you the volume based on the size of pool. Next, you'll need to balance your total alkalinity between 60 and 120 parts per million and your pH to 7.2 to 7.6. You will use muriatic acid to lower these readings and alkalinity increaser or pH increaser to raise them. Follow the chart on the bottle to determine how much of each to add. After adding any chemicals, you'll want to run your pump on high for about 15 to 20 minutes to circulate everything. Once your pH and alkalinity are in range, add 2 ounces of Pure and Blue Fresh for every 1,000 gallons of pool water. Let the water circulate for 4 to 6 hours with your pump on low speed or 2 to 3 hours on high speed. Next, do a standard shock of 1 pound of shock per 10,000 gallons of pool water. Add your shock around evening time and let the water circulate through your pump on high overnight. The next day, backwash your pool and then add 3 ounces of Pure and Blue Clear per 2,000 gallons of water. For the following 2 weeks, maintain your pH between 7.2 and 7.6. Do not add any more Pure and Blue to the pool. After the 2 weeks, begin the normal 2-week Pure and Blue maintenance routine found in the owner's manual. Need extra help? Take advantage of our free water lab. We can provide any startup advice or exact dosing help that you may need in person or over the phone. Country Leisure. Just add water.